What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. In today's video, I'm doing an unboxing of what I had just got, a 2019 iPad Pro and Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Hey, just wanted to say be sure to subscribe and like this video up. Now let's get back to the unboxing.
Since I came into the game, I've been going harder in the paint.
So here we go, YouTube. Here's the unboxing of the 2019 iPad Pro 11-inch, the Space Gray edition. The case that I'm using for my iPad is by, there's the name right there, ZTO Top. I don't know how to pronounce it, but the link will be down in the description box below. You want to check it out, you know, just holds the camera in, no keyboard, no nothing. So, you know, you set it up. Bada bing, bada bing. I'll show you how that all fits in there. Fits in there nice and slim. Here's the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. As you can see, I have already been using this for a while, but I forgot to do the unboxing video. Well, I did the unboxing video before, but it looked terrible, so I figured let me just redo the content. Here's the pencil itself. This is not a branding deal at all. Show you what comes in these right here. It says designed by Apple in California. I ain't never even, nothing in there. You know, you get little, you know, once you get little notes that nobody reads. There it is, 11-inch. You can see, I sold my old iPad to my nephew, but I was a 9.7 and that did me well making all my videos. Here is the new one, but yeah, I have been using this for a while. You get in the box. So that's why you're not gonna see no plastic on it or nothing at all. Here's the iPad itself. Nice color, space gray. Man, this mug is clean. And then you do know on the iPad, the new iPads, they remove the headphone jack. So, but the speakers on this is real loud. Oh, snaps. Put that over there. Get over here. Another, you know, little stuff. It says designed by Apple, cards and stuff, Apple stickers. Yeah, all that other stuff. You got a 18-watt USB-C fast charging wall plug, USB-C lightning plug, and I still haven't used this. I've been using the charger from my MacBook to charge the iPad. So yeah, that's the little quick unboxing. All right, you guys, I'm back. So like I was talking about, I did get an iPad Pro 11-inch. As you've seen in the unboxing, I got that. I do got the MacBook Pro. So if you haven't seen that unboxing, I'll leave a card link up here, and it'll be at the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, like this video up, subscribe if you're new, if you want to see more unboxings. But my main goal is why I have both is because I always wanted to become a pro video editor on iPad Pro using LumaFusion, and then a pro video editor on the MacBook Pro using Final Cut Pro 10. So that was my main goal, to get better in both, so I can be good with both of them. Since I am mobile content creator, I like to create and shoot with my iPhone. As you see, I don't have no camera work. I shoot strictly with my iPhones, and I have the new iPhone coming in. Stay tuned for that unboxing. So if you want to see that one, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications.